Good
Hello
morning.
everyone, myself Anushka, and with I am going to do a debate time versus money with Ananya, and I am supporting time. Once it is said that when the time goes, it never comes back. Time waits for no one, and the one who utilize time becomes a successful person, and the one who wastes time does nothing in their life.
So, Anushka, can you tell me what time can buy? We can buy shelter for us, we can buy food for us, we can buy education, like we have to pay fees for the education. So, what we can buy with time?
We can buy skills, we can buy love, we can buy our family bondings with time, because time, if we have time, if we will spend time with our family members, then we will have our relations with the family stronger. And if you are just giving money, that will not buy you the happiness and the love. But if someone is in depression or stress, if you give his her your time, then only you can heal him. Money can heal that problem.
Okay, Anushka. You said that we can talk to our loved ones or something. Like if we talk to our loved ones, so can we buy money? And as a practical person, we can buy everything from money. But if we talk to our loved ones and everything, we can't buy our shelter where we live. We can't buy our food, what we eat. So practically, we see that money is more important.
Maybe you mean to say that success is with money, but you are wrong, because success is not one that you have lot of money and you are having a luxury life. Success is what that you are happy in your life is success. You have your family together, you have a support as with your family, and this is what time can buy.
Okay, so Anushka, can you just tell me that time is how can you describe your point nicely, that how time is very precious?
See, if a student do utilize his her time, then only they can get a good job or whatever they want in life. And they are just wasting their time in the childhood and when they become an adult. And do you know, in the majorly high exam, competitive exam, there is a time limit from this age to this age only a person can give. So that tells the importance of time, that on this from this age we should start. Means now, from 8 9 standard, a student should start their preparation, a little bit preparation, and then step up for their exams. But if they have money, how they can learn? Money can't buy intelligence, but if they give their time to their studies, if they give their time to their skills, then only they can become a successful person.
Okay, Anushka. So I am saying that we can buy others' time by money. We can get lawyers' time, services we can get by money.
Yeah, that's a point, but time only, they have also given their time to buy do that. They have also given their time for coming at that step at their position.
Okay. Anushka, what I mean to say is the time is what a ladder, but we have to climb it to get the money. In this time, we have lot of time, but some poor people or they don't have money. They have time, but they have not money. So if they have to use their mind or education, they are uneducated. So they have to pay for it to an education.
But the government is now giving free education so that everyone can get education, and then they can do whatever they want to do in life. And now you will say that they can get better schools with the money. But if someone gives his or her time to the education, they can get scholarships in the high schools, and the result of the government school will also improve if they will give their time. If they will give their time to study, then they will get the scholarship in better schools. So this is how time can give us good education opportunities. Now, sir, and Time is money. This is said by early times. But because time, if we give time to something, then saving time is like saving money, and saving money is like saving a lot. So we should save our time, utilize it properly, and then only we can become a successful person.
I conclude my point that time and money both are very important. If we have time, not money, then it is useless for us. And if you have money and no time, then it is also useless. So we should work on both of them. Thank you.